You're not on vacation. You're on an adventure. You're gonna need a camera that can be there in the rapids, the storm, or in the mud.
Okay, sometimes you are on vacation.
Wherever you are, you're gonna want a camera that can do it all. And Insta360 just released a pretty unique camera that is said to be the POV camera. It's said to be an epic shooter for solo creators, and apparently it's a pretty solid vlog camera. This two-piece setup promises a lot, but it looks pretty unusual. So I want to test it out and see if it's any good. But the best way to test a camera is to put it to a real test. So we're traveling across Asia, from North Vietnam all the way to the lush side of Bali and into the day-to-day life of a digital nomad. Because a good camera isn't just there for the adrenaline, it's there every day. And at the end, we're gonna bring all these moments together, and we'll even turn it into a quick little short film. So let's start here. Now, I'm gonna have a full Vietnam trip video coming for you real soon. Give me a couple weeks, but let's just say this trip was insane. The perfect balance of fun, discomfort, and my first real test of the Go Ultra. Hello, my brother.
Hello, we're from Vietnam.
What is the meaning of life? Real quick, I was impressed with this little camera, capturing such clean images after dark from such a small camera. And as you can see, no gimbal was needed.
This is a new Insta360.
Now, this is what we came for.
So sick.
Open road. A couple of dudes that go way back and are now entering their 1/3 life crisis. We rode and rode and rode through everything Vietnam could throw at us. From remote villages, sketchy roads, and even got caught in a monsoon. Everywhere we went, we made friends, even though we couldn't even speak the same language. I spent a lot of time listening to good music, podcasts, and I spent a ton of time using this camera. I love the way I could just take this camera and put it anywhere. I mean, look at this, This pole here. And here are my thoughts after over a week on the road. I gotta give credit to the MVP of this road trip, this little guy. First thing that I love about this camera that none of my other action cameras could do is I have a remote monitor. So when I set this up down by the wheel, I can make sure I'm recording, I can change the settings, and I don't have to guess if I got the shot because I can see it when it happens. Other thing that's pretty awesome is the mountability. This little camera can actually magnetically mount just from the back of this camera, but there's all sorts of different accessories you can add on. One of my favorites on this trip is this thing. Here I can wrap it around, literally anything. Now it's connected. I can rotate it, flip it up toward myself. Just that accessory alone allows me to probably get 20 different variations of shots I can get on the motorbike. And even in those extremely hard to see places like down by the back wheel, I can actually do a full preview of the shot here with the action pod. I can change the settings, I can hit record, and I can even replay the clip to make sure I got it. And you can make things look pretty darn cinematic by tossing on these ND filters. Just to show you what these do, here's a before and here's an after. These little sunglasses on your camera can create that cinematic blur that give you a bit of a Hollywood look, even from something that fits not in your pocket, but in your pocket's pocket. I write my own scripts. One of the other features that I wasn't prepared to like so much, but have been really impressed by, is actually the battery life. This thing's been crushing. Basically, I've been shooting for a few hours now, and I'm still on the single charge. It's about time to charge it up now. And when it's time to charge it, pops back into the action pod, looking nice and muddy, and it's extremely fast charging. This guy isn't waterproof, but this guy is, and as you can see, it's also pretty life proof and crash proof. This is sus. Oh, oh no. Yeah! That's not good. That was pretty good.
Can we go?
Look at this. It's pretty cool. Very cool. Now, spoiler alert, we did make it out alive, but just barely. And the full Vietnam Odyssey is coming soon. With scene 1 captured for the short film, it's a 4-hour flight back to Bali, and for the first time ever, Ruby's mom made it to Asia.
We are going rafting, and I'm surprising my mama because she doesn't know we're going rafting. She's gonna be so scared, but it's okay. Woo! Mami, dile la camera. ¿Cómo te sientes?
I'm happy. I'm feeling so good. Do this.
Oh!
No! Oh my God.
You still feeling so good?
I'm so excited.
Are you okay?
¿Estás bien?
No, la piedra is too close.
A ver, nomás camina.
Yeah, they gotta fix that. Down we go into the heart of Bali.
Y tú eres strong, ma. Poderosa.
Fuerte.
Fuertísima.
There's some moments in life that deserve to be captured, but honestly are just way too risky with a standard camera. And this is one of them. We got bumped, knocked, and wet. But the active stabilization on this camera really showed its strength. Now, if you're wanting to shoot vertical, all you gotta do is rotate the camera. Or you can actually shoot in freeform mode, which allows you to shoot in 4:3, which gives you a ton of options for cropping in the edit. And the tiny size and rugged build of the Go Ultra means that I got to play around with creative shots I really wouldn't get normally. So Insta360 has been an amazing sponsor and an amazing partner of my channel, and they just gave me an amazing bonus if you buy the Go Ultra using that link. This exclusive link for the first 25 people only will get you a ring mount, which is the same mount I use to get that camera on my motorbike, on my paddle racket. That link down below will get you going. Enjoy and happy shooting. As we come down here on this inflatable raft, it's such a special feeling. It's one of my favorite things you can do on this island because you get to see the raw, untouched side. I love Bali and I love this side of the island. We're about to arrive. Beep, beep. Oh!
My dad's never gonna believe that my mom did this.
Alright, we're almost ready to make a short film, but I wanted to just capture a few more moments. Back to Canggu, Bali, we go. One of the goals with this final little video we'll make at the end is to show adventures through the extreme, but also the day-to-day, the in-between moments. Come with me. So I can see.
Haha, cool. Let's go.
All right, let's do it. So check this out. I can put it down here, right on the post, but it's magnetic, so I can clip it on like almost anything that's metal. And then I have like all these accessories, so I can I'll attach it to my racket after too.
Yeah.
So I'll get some cool POV shots of there. All right, let's play.
Okay.
She's modeling. When it comes to POV, this thing is the camera. I mean, it's ultra wide, ultra lightweight, and designed for mounting anywhere. The Go Ultra even has a 4K 60 mode, which means you can slow life down to half speed. You've already seen how this camera can be mounted anywhere. You've seen how it can get in those tight little spaces, get those incredible wide angle shots. But honestly, where it really has shown an incredible use case for me is vlogging. It's like the day-to-day usage is just incredible. And I've just turned on a mode called Pure Video, which basically on this gray, gloomy, rainy, and dark day really allows this sensor to come to life. This is actually the exact same sensor as the Ace Pro 2, which was celebrated as one of the first action cameras to really nail it on low light. And I'm gonna just turn off this setting so you can see the before and after. I've not really experienced an action camera that has such good in-body audio. Seriously, even my professional DSLR cameras don't sound this good, and this thing is like the size of a coin. It sounds good, it looks good, and you can pretty much use it in any conditions. Okay, I have an idea. Remove this from the action pod. Okay, I'm sending you to join the fish. Fishes? the fish. And a couple other things I gotta mention is that now the Go Ultra actually has a removable SD port, so you can pop in and out a micro SD, so I can have fast storage and a lot of it. It just makes shooting as a pro or a beginner so much easier. Now, one of the cool things about this little guy is that I can pop in a lav mic instantly and clip it on here to my collar, and the audio shouldn't sound good. We're sitting in the middle of traffic next to an idling bus in the chaos of Hanoi, and yet it sounds pretty good. Another cool accessory is the macro lens, which means that you can enhance your storytelling with details most miss. And lastly, when it comes to getting your story out there, Insta360's AI editing software can do heavy lifting for you, which makes a trip montage or highlight reel super convenient. Now grab the popcorn and enjoy a little film I call Get Travel Out of Your System. They told me, go, travel, get it out of your system. Because life gets serious when you're older. Because, well, one day all you'll have are the memories. So I went. And somewhere between the airports and empty roads, I felt something I'd never truly felt before. Sometimes my highest highs and sometimes my lowest lows. But most of all, I felt a deep connection with myself. A version of me I haven't seen in a while. You know YouTube? You're on YouTube. All right, see you guys. Off we go. In the chaos, in the silence, in the moments no one else could see, I found the side of me that was lost in all the noise. So, no, I'll never get travel out of my system, because it isn't in my system, it is my system.